Silence is a piece of crap.
Over there is that piece of crap crossing. And over there, and I think we're due the
33 to
Swinton.
what's it called?
Swinton.
Yeah, that's the one.
Coming around that corner should be 144013 again.
Yeah, not 42.
Yeah, like I said in the first one.
Oh. Focusing on start bloody camera off. We got Reddit on Lima Golf 72 on platform 1. No straight platform 2 is 33 to Swinton.
Calling at all stations. I've just found out that these Swinton services are actually replacement Adwick.
Yeah, it's a bus from Swinton to Doncaster.
So this service would have gone to Adwick. Now on to a minute.
Got another 3 till Studio pulling yet.
Unless it comes a 1 minute early like the Doncaster.
Just noticed that other platforms because that could easily hold a HST. Just about anyway, but the crossing would go up.
Yeah, this could anyway. Well, whoa! Camera angle's getting funky.
Funky.
There's Lima Golf 72, which glows on my camera.
On red.
Let's have a look down the other side.
Don't know what that signal number is. Signal. I know it's Lima Golf 79 to 73 probably.
There's a foot crossing on both sides of this station.
Weird.
There's the station sign. And a random wooden gate.
Saxilby.
And a random wooden gate, which is covered in moss.
I don't care if I see what they've done and turn it into a load of shit.
I actually don't see a wooden gate on this side. Unless there is one. No, there isn't.
On the pace of us.
144013.
31. You don't think you should be on 2 minutes by now, shouldn't it?
Yeah, 2 minutes.
Also.
We're now on 2 minutes. Well, I started a little bit after it closed. Here's 144.
You see up the line there? God knows on the 1533 off to Swinton. 144013.
Hey, it's clicking. Here's the 144. Yep, 144013.
1413 off to Swinton.
To Swinton.
Crossing's gone back up.
Crossing's gone up. Travel south to Yorkshire. 144013.